Professor, I said the world is aging.
Indeed, the world is aging. We are see afanani na snipa na nkomo mo panifie so na UN for United Nations definition no okase mo panifie so na o kan mo di 60 years and above. Enti sisi ano mo di 60 years and above no o mado so pa wo wiasim na hwehwemu kire say about 1.4 billion people. It is estimated by 2030 no now 1.4 billion people and omedro mumpenifie so 60 years and above.
Wow.
By 2050 no na worldwide almost not a 2020 level no across 2.1 billion.
Wow.
From 1.4 billion in 2030 no by 2050
just say it's almost double.
Yes, now you got 2.1 billion. And now, the 80 years plus, no, about 426 million.
Hey,
baby,
man, like more than 10 times
yes.
of all Ghanaians.
Wow. 80 years and above more. And this is so there's a life expectancy, no. Across Europa, Siciano, as at 2024, no, life expectancy is 73 years. It is say ya wo no enyi ye hwe enyi obetimi enyi ni na it's up to 73 years.
Okay.
Enti sisi ano enti se first na 55 60 na we no. It also be who say the world is aging. Nipa enyi ni say na ka first wo ba early no sisi a enti sa.
Okay.
Enti the world is aging.
The world is aging.
Na e won so wo man niema bebre. Enti ye beba hof 2020 no na omo medi 60 years no mo do so chen nkola medi 5 years.
Hey,
Enti so sha nkola na ye wo mo no omo so chen omo a
just any kakra na ewo.
yes
Enkofo mpa wo bio.
Enkofo jai 1 2 first no na 10 15 ade no sisi ade wo sa akro bia be hwe
me ye me say 12 bomb kra.
Is everything okay? Economy we mu was guy 15.
Nti wa ahina nka wonya o pepe.
Oh, 3 okay.
Hey! Mo nyina mo ka ho.
Ai.
Okay.
Ka ho nti just nipa e enyi worldwide. It's by 2050 no, na 20%, 22%.
Hanche mu edunu mienu.
Aha. 60 years and above.
Hey!
Na hifa na sankrofo yo mbetina.
Ai.
30% there of more 60 years and above there Japan.
Yes, Japan onyini wo ho papa.
Onyini wo ho ba bi so omo didi omo environment
exercise
good. Omo built environment.
Ne aje bia. Nsi oto a. Ne be gata fie nam yewrade.
The bottles a gugu kwan so.
Ye be wuntem.
Until the kind of air and our kind of pay say niema cumulatively but Japan hono environment ni aduane omudi eni omo culture no emo muniti by 30% of omo mbenyi no they will be
globally you'll be in Japan. Wow.
Now about 2/3 of the world's population omo medi 60 years and above omuti ne a friend low and middle income.
Yes, I watch a moment in Yamiensa, Mienu, Eti Babia, Sikane, say Ghana,
Ghana, baby, a Sikane, a Hochewa,
Edmund, so,
and no honor, and dear honor.
Yes, I do say Sintiani Vanessa, and Nasa, and yet Damupa,
Damupa, my who say, easy. Say Sadia no sumbesa ma for etie pass say ye wonya mate na ye chimutu na omuti baabi a
ahokyere ne
eche say ade a wo se ye hwe ni
just ye nyini no ye bebrem
yes
sanete
because unyi no na wo ahode ne so
you say health is a slope, not a cliff.
It is a go for your bet na low and middle income, that is 80%.
Hanchim edu otwe
na France for so omufa omo medi omo penny fees from 10% to 20%. And Brazil, China, India, they will take only 20 years, less than 20 years for Sadia no ebekosu. Enti across various places no and for a na Africa so
Aye.
I had here fat say bibi no.
Hey. Now Sanka the youngest continent.
And so cost times 3 triple you say Africa is 65 years and older no or may increase 3 times than Europe or North America in the coming decades.
Just say only no basso
Because youngest people no ever be if we say and I can Engofon will be brave.
okay.
Sisi Africa so omo young for no the door super.
Right.
It's my who next 10 years, my who next
20 years.
Or be we did 40 years, we did 30 years no kika ko 60 years and above. It's just a bad day. And a Europe near North America no. Omo 1 2 into omo ni young people are omo baba yem penny for to say na a first na ka etien.
Right.
Pensions so 10% per and no munya regular pension e was sub-Saharan Africa. And nipa bebre de omo abraboni na e wo you know ejuma kakra ye bi mususu ekuayo ni niema inti say and no so serious issues. 1 in 6 people experience idea a friend elder abuse.
Say yeah mpenifo ya kayakade.
One what osu de ha adwen dodo aduane na watu asi ho bad ye eduro hu hwe so wa file o because omuko penyi fie so omu ahometi kakra ntino na wa won etiko man aduane hospital time so a onfa no nko elder abuse cost papa.
Wow.
If you say no omuni ahode sena it is a first meeting. What for who and I will be about kind who say, who's so over.
Wow.
Birthday be our bomb pies, may you live to be a dear. Also, Baba be
106.5.
Yes.
I say, me now, SOMPA birthday.
Yes.
Just say, obedi, 106.5.
Ghana, so Sudan, echo to Sisi. Sisi, no, yeah, about 35 million.
Okay.
I say. Na median age, 22.4.
Okay.
Sisia no omo medi 60 years kono. Yeah, mo 1.33 million.
Wow, 1.3.
1.3 million, sorry.
Right.
1.3 million. And it's a 1.3 million ye share 35 1.3 million na ye share the we are seeing hwemu ache say e be double no that was say hwe ni ye pa it is just a 3.8 of the population no at the 60 years and above.
Right.
Working population omo ye adwuma no 60%.
There's a 15 to 64 years for no.
Yes, 60 to 80%. And the life expectancy was 61.
Right.
Just say we are all Ghana now from time I will be ye shall 61 years. That's the time and nipa na say ye kika kuya ye share from 1960 to 1950 no.
Okay.
Now Ghana free 0.3 million of older persons. This year by 2015, now you 5.7 million.
And 2050 from now, no, 24 years.
24 and what's that?
Hey!
Me kai pa se mi son na me say, "Hey, that be na midi 20." She said, "Wait,
chire."
Ina me na me ni o.
I know na me o. What tra?
Matra kra me PhD.
Right.
And you say yes, it's my who say oh we chase it is not far from us. It is closer than we think. Oh, but sisi I won yes we did 2. We did 3. Wow sha nipa yini. Into by 20 yeah share Ghana or China picture no ebe say 2030 just 4 years away.
Wow.
2050 24 years away.
Wow.
Then yebehu say 8.6 of Ghanaians who are 60 years and above. No, the 8.6 of Ghanaians will be 60 years and above.
Wow.
And that time no na prof wa way.
Oh na.
4 years from now no.
I am 19.
4 years from now no na akwaka kakra but 20
yes.
na ujina mu denden.
20
24 years no.
24 years plus my age, say me 53 only 20 be 70.
Now the 77.
Oh na me young.
Na senior citizen we remu pa.
Me young pa, very young. I feel na me see abrabo no so.
29%, 29.4% 2030 na nkola omo under age 15.
Okay.
Omo so omo no.
Right.
And more than 3 million of Ghanaians will be retirees.
Hey. And then here they bomb mobile. How are we managing such
retirees? Working population 50 60 years now. Omo no address 60% in Ghana. No mo me hwe san crofo we no mo. If you say enema bi ni akwa mu I work Ghana timi bo omo penyi fie so. Compare ko Europe ne America ne enema na.
Right.
Na wa wo hwa unye adwuma pen na o maame unana obusia fomu di awusi adenti a.
Obe hwe mo.
Ukoto amumma meji. Enti 2050 14.1%.
Already 60 years and over.
Already 60 years. And
wow.
22.3 na almost so under 15. Na 22.2% age dependency ratio. The chair say omo dying, you know, omo working population. Na 22.2%. Enti ebeye serious implications are.
Ama for moment and once kakra na mo hu de priest like no. Eka age dependence ratio na the working population na 15 to 64. Omo ma di mfi dunum ekosi mfi edusia enum. Na wonga omo na ye adwuma, na omo na ehwe meme kasa group no. Priest like kasa group no. Ye na ye hwe omo a omo ho ye bre. Na omo ho do ma ye hifo. Omo ye 0 to 14 years back on no. And na 65 years and above. Enti dependency omo just say omo ye mbre no a ye hwe no. Eye didikan obi a ya wono nenge akosi age 14. When you maybe a warrior, ye ni ye hwe omo ye na ye tuama omo ye ni ye school fees. And na also at 65 years and fear do see enum kwa akosi 100 ne e bi as 1,000 count there. Omonso omayembre omay ha omo nyese de na motin kan no nti saa yen a ye di 15 years ko 64 no yen na ye adwuma so Ghana yen ye bo ankrofo nti saa age dependency ratio no chese enkrofo ye mre enkrofo ye mre te say 65 to 100 years and beyond ene nkora eye 0 to 14 years no omo number ebedoso na sana ma be dos no ba ko firi onyini a ye nyini no enti bo hu say yen a ye adwuma no na ye bra ye kon ebu wo hwe omba na wo sa hwe ona na madam fi ne kan say wo so ohu enti me ono apro be mo fra 6 ena ne na te ase ne ma meti ase ne papa te ase ne papa no to te ase so wo enti number no increase eno any if no age dependency ratio and a person like and say 31.7%. Wow, a be increase and the whole year juma when you more muscles if it's a one ebe no more fee say tomorrow no omo number a dozen president aso
and I share median age na just say che mu pepepa 2030 no na 23.5 and at 2050 no 31.7.
Okay.
Enti sanfoni we ni na che say Ghana we are sini na enyini na ehun sunsanso no bebre na yenhwe precious bia ewo
obi nyini e wono so Ghana
ha say number 1 pension poverty.
Hey, or retire. No, here's what you
Yeah, or because I will retire, not just as you say, they won't come home. Oh, here, bro, because yes, nipa working population. Nancy puna head, I couldn't name kakra. And see, Sika Ubenya no say 5,000 cedis and less. Send a should match in. Nebi mutiminya kwa 1,000 cedis a month. They no the better Adriane. They no the better Drew. Yari be bray or more way.
I say hypertension number one.
No me draw way. Unu me draw way. Multi mobility I can once. So Yari be bray. A draw back every month be a over tom every 4. Now go see 2,000. Now we have 3,000. Say na aka. Na ude no be a maybe only a busioni be a now or baby or shannon. Na only pacono. It is really just only 3,000 of Ghanaians, 2 million retirees receive a monthly SNIT pension.
Wow!
2 million baby only 300,000.
Think of no money day. I want to.
Mamo share
And yes, my
help comments from the Lord.
Hey, there's some mom